Tuesday. How's everybody doing today? It's Transformation Tuesday. We're going to get in a good workout, a good circuit training workout. Get nice and limber, everyone. Go ahead and start moving. It's Kat. If you guys haven't seen me, I am one of the fitness instructors for 310. Let's go ahead and kick our feet up if you can. March. Hi everyone, welcome on in. Keep it moving. Throw those hands up if you can. Nice 5 o'clock workout, maybe 8 o'clock, depending on where you are. Get our second wind going. Keep on marching, everyone. Try to get your knees up if you can. My gym is actually it's converted into a musical room. Go ahead and keep on marching, everybody. We'll wait a couple more seconds. You're going to aim for 30 seconds of exercise and then 10 seconds off. Come on in, everyone. Sorry, I'm just trying to calibrate my watch. Come on in, come on in. We're marching. Get nice and warmed up. How's everybody doing? Hopefully it's a good second day of the week. We want to keep on moving. Okay, everyone, let's go ahead and get started. We are going to do a circuit training exercise. The first exercise that we will do is a back lunge into a throw up with the hands. So everyone, you can either step back or you can lunge it on down. So step back, throw your hands up, or lunge it on down. Lunge, lunge. If you can step back, that's okay. If you guys can grab any water bottles to make it harder, do so. Any objects around you, go ahead and grab. Hi everyone, coming on in. Everybody's coming on in. We are leading off with step backs and throwing our hands on up. Keep it going. We've done a little bit past 30 seconds, but that's okay because we're gonna repeat and take a break. Welcome in, everybody. We're getting our nice little fitness workout in midday. The next exercise that we are going to do, if you have a wall close by, we're going to extend our leg out to the side. So go ahead and extend out to the side. I am on my left leg right now. Use a wall or a chair for stabilization. You're going to bring your leg on up. Bringing that leg on up. Keep it going, everyone. Keep going. And get your leg on up as high as you can get that range of motion in. As high up as you can. And go ahead, we're switching to the other side, so move that chair or go to the other side of the wall. And we're doing the same thing on the other side. Get that leg on up. Hopefully you guys are feeling this. And again, go up as high as you can go. Extend as high as you can go, using something for stability, whether it's a wall or a chair. Get that leg on up. Good job. And we're about at 30 seconds. Hopefully everybody's feeling good. We're getting nice and warmed up, getting nice and limber, cooling down for that exercise. The next one we are doing is a butt kick with the feet and moving the arms from in to out. If you want to make it harder, grab the water bottles. Move your arms in to out. So close to wide. Come on in, everyone. We are moving. It is Tuesday. I'm loving it. Everybody's getting their workout in midday or mid-evening. Keep going, everyone. Keep it going. Water bottles are to make this a little bit harder. And again, step up. If you can't kick your butt, that's okay. We're just doing step ups and moving our hands, moving our arms. Go ahead, everyone, and take a break. Keep it moving, and if some of these exercises feel a little bit challenging, that's okay. We do what we can. Keep on marching and keep on moving. Try to get your feet up as high as you can. Try to get your legs up as high as you can. And the next one we are going to do is a pivot elbow to knee. If you can, again, try to get your hand up to your knee, and whatever range you can do, we're alternating is okay. So you're gonna get that elbow to that knee, crisscross. And another way to modify this exercise is a hook to knee. So bringing the arm down. So whichever one feels a little bit more comfortable. If it gets too much or if you want to intensify it, we're going to grab the water bottles to intensify this exercise. And again, you guys are moving at the range of motion that you guys can possibly move. Okay? Keep it going, everyone. Keep it going. 2 more. And let's go ahead and cool it on down from that exercise. Take a little breather. Again, if any of these become challenging, just try to get your feet up and your arms moving as far as possible and as much as possible. The next one that we are going to do is going to be a pivot. So we're pivoting and throwing our arms up. Pivot to arms up, pivot to arms up. Pivot to arms up. I always have technical problems. Pivot to arms up, pivot to arms up, and we're pivoting to arms up. Keep it going, guys. Pivot with your arms going up, pivot, pivot. Again, if we want to make this more intense, we are pivoting with our water bottles. Keep it going, everyone. Pivot and throw those arms on up. Full body circuit. Do what you can. If you want to step, that's okay. Keep it going, everyone. And go ahead and take a breather. March it on out, everyone. I hope everyone's doing good. I gotta get my watch on point again. Whew. I know you guys are feeling this. Keep it marching. The next one we are doing is a back lunge. And we're starting with the first exercise to throwing our hands up. So back lunge, throw your hands up, or you can step back and throw your hands on up. Step back, throw your hands up, step back, throw your hands on up. So whichever one feels more comfortable. Again, if you want to intensify this, grab those water bottles and throw your hands on up. Good job. 2 more. Take a breather, everyone. Hope everybody's feeling nice and warmed up. Hope everyone's feeling good. Get nice and cooled down. Not down, I'm sorry. Nice and limber. Let's try this again. And we're going into side leg extensions. So if you have a wall, use the wall for stability. If not, we will be using a chair for side leg extensions. Come on up. Come on up. Good job, everyone. Keep it going. We got about 10 seconds left. Keep going. Good job, everyone. And go ahead, take a breather, move that chair to the other side, or turn around if you are against a wall. And we are going to do the same thing on the other side. And again, bringing your leg up as far as you can. So again, this is all about the range of motion and how high you can get your leg up. It doesn't matter. We're just moving. We are just moving and using something for stabilization. Keep it going, everyone. You guys are killing it, moving with me. Midday on a Tuesday, so that is awesome. Keep it going, everyone. And take a breather. How's everybody feeling? I'm going to assume if you're not taping, you are moving, so that is awesome. And the next exercise that we're going to get back into is going to be those butt kicks with the open and closed arms. So we are butt kicking and opening and closing our arms. Keep it going. Again, do what you can. If you can't get your knees up, we're just going to step up and move our arms. So we are constantly moving. Constant movement, do what you can. Butt kicks or step ups, whichever works. And again, grab those water bottles if you want to increase the intensity. Keep it going, everyone, and go ahead. Take a 20-second breather. Keep marching, keep walking in place. Everybody's killing it. The next exercise that we are going to do, and we're going back into the round of the rotation of exercises, is the elbow to knee. So a hook, or if you want to make it harder, elbow to knee, opposite sides, or the hook. Whichever one feels more comfortable. If you want to increase the intensity, get the water bottles, get the laundry detergent, get what you can, lift it, bring the elbow to the knee. Elbows to the knee. Good job, everyone. If you are tuned in and you are doing this workout, you guys are killing it on a Tuesday, which is awesome. Second day of the week, and we're getting at it. Go ahead and let's take a walking breather. Hoping everyone's feeling good, feeling nice and energized, getting their second wind. Walking breather, keep going, everyone. I know I'm losing my breath. The next exercise will be the pivot to the arm throw up. So we are pivoting and we are throwing up our arms. Again, if you want to step, take a step and throw your arms up, that's okay. You want the full range to make it harder, we're gonna throw our hands on up at the range that you can. To make it harder, grab those water bottles and keep it going, everyone. Pivot, throw those hands up. Don't stop moving. We are in this fitness realm of the world together. Keep it going. Keep throwing your hands up, keep pivoting. You're working your core, lower body, and upper body. And go ahead and march it on out. Whew. How is everybody feeling? I'm hoping everyone's feeling good. We're feeling warmed up. I'm gonna come on up. I'm glad you guys finally found me. And we are going to get our workout in. We're going right back into a back lunge with the throw ups, guys, or step back. So back lunge, throw your hands on up, throw your hands on up, throw your hands on up. Keep going, guys, just looking in. Keep going, guys. Yeah, oh yeah, the cat in the background, he likes to be a part of every video. He likes to be a part of the workouts, even though, as you guys can see, he is not working out. Keep lunging and throwing those arms on up. Good job, everyone. Go ahead and take a 20-second breather. Whew. I'm feeling it. You guys should be feeling it. Keep walking, keep moving. We've got one more set. Use that chair or that wall and bring your leg on up. Bring your leg on up to the side. And again, do what you can. If you just want to step up, or if you want to go in a lesser range of motion, that's fine as well. Leg on up, leg on up. Keep going, and let's hit two more. 1, 2, good job, walking on out. And you're either going to turn around in your roll, or grab the chair, bring it to the other side. And we are going to do what we did to the other side, on to the next side. Bring that leg on up to the side. Bring it on up. Good job, everybody. If you're doing this workout, you're killing it. Keep going. Keep it going. Let's get it with 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Cool it on down. Not cool it on down. I keep saying that. Walk it on out. Get nice and limber. Get nice and limber. You guys know what it is. We're going to do the butt kick to the open arm and close arm. So kicking our butts while extending our shoulders on out, elbows out. And again, if you want to intensify this workout, grab those water bottles and make it harder. Make it more intense. Keep going, everyone. Good job. If you are doing this workout still, you guys are killing it. And go ahead, walk it on out, everyone. Hopefully everybody's feeling good. We're doing okay. You guys are feeling the burn. It's a good way to recharge the midday. The next exercise that we are going to do is going to be that knee arm hook. And again, if you want to make it harder, then we're going from elbow to knee, full range of motion. Or again, knee to arms, hooking. Keep going, everyone. Keep doing these with me. I don't want to be alone when I exercise. I need some camaraderie. Keep going, everyone. And I am feeling the burn. Let's hit it with 3 more. And go ahead. Nice walk. We've got 2 more exercises. Oh, I'm sorry, we've got 1 more exercise, but on both sides, which is the pivot to the arm extension. This is the last one. So let's go ahead and go as hard as you guys can go. Increase that intensity. Keep going. Keep going. Let's hit it with 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go ahead, walk it on out. You guys have completed 4 rounds of 7 exercises. Some of them had altering sides. If you guys completed this, this is awesome. You're killing it on a Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining me. Cool it on down. Make sure you guys stretch and cool down. Become nice and limber. Thanks for checking in, and we will be doing this again next Tuesday at the same time at 5 o'clock. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you guys soon.